What's up, everybody? Nolan with Black Diamond Services. Just doing some dining room chairs, cleaning of this material here. It's a little sensitive, so got to be careful using the fine fabric cleaner to deal with these. So far, all the spots are coming out on the other ones that I've done so far. But basically, what I'm doing is I'm free vacuuming. So just using my Rotovac Sheardry to get some of the loose material off of it, if anything, and then touching up the corners with the vacuum, trying to get loose debris off. The client, even though it doesn't look like it because of the stains, had vacuumed them yesterday, but there's just some small loose debris, had dander from the dog that I just wanted to kind of get off before I pre-treat it with the fine fabric material cleaner. And then I scrub it, but because this material is a little touchy, so you can't tell that much on the camera here, but running my thumb up it will make the material sit a different direction, looking tacky if you leave it that way. So after I scrub it and rinse it, I use a horsehair brush to gently groom it back this direction towards me to help set the fibers back the way it's supposed to be. So like this right here, this spot is kind of beat down the material a little bit, or you know, it could be from somebody's pants scraping across it. So what I'm going to do is scrub it, trying to, well, it's damp from the pre-treatment, to get the material to come back up. And then once I'm done cleaning it, try and set the fibers back so you're seeing more of this darker red color rather than the white, because of all this being opened up a little bit, so you're kind of seeing in between it and stuff. So once I do that, it should look more even. So with that being said, I apply some pre-treatment, wipe it all down. This is a wood frame, so if I get a little bit on it, it's not the end of the world, but if I wipe it down where it potentially could have got on it, if any at all, that way it's not an issue. The product I'm using is safe. If it gets on wood, it's no big deal. Just wipe it down. Part of the job anyways to wipe it down. And then I would scrub it, which is a little difficult to do while holding this. So I'm going to scrub it. Then I'll come back to you guys and show you how it's just slowly, gently rinsing it at a low PSI, very low. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little basic idea, just rinsing it gently out with a all fiber rinse. It means it's safe on all material. And then it's safe. Using very low PSI just to kind of show you how much is coming out. Not much. This is a Rotovac Sheardry, so it doesn't put a whole lot down. It helps dry it out a lot quicker than some other upholstery tools do. I definitely love this one in comparison to some of the others I've used in the past, which has a jet on the outside of the wand, where this one's internal. So overspray is almost impossible to have unless you take it off and hold the trigger. So I'm gonna have to go back and spot treat some of this, but I just kind of wanted to show you what I'm doing. A little stubborn spot right up here. I might have to work out a little extra on it, but I didn't want the free spray to dry into the material, so I wanted to rinse it out before that happens, and then go over any spot that being stubborn, and of course hit all the edges, corners, and the back side of that, backing it up. So there you go. That's what I got so far. Alright, here's so the end result. So I basically am just using a horsehair brush, brushing it towards me. Until I got the vacuum lines out. As you can see, that spot that was somewhere right here now looks more red like the rest of the material. That separated there, so it looks different. The nose was a little worn out from getting up, sitting down, kind of scooting your butt off of it. It has the same state of wear. The material down a little bit right there. It's normal. But otherwise, much better. Turned out really nice. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoy seeing these videos, and subscribe if you'd like to see even more in the future. I try and do at least 1 or 2 a week if possible, and upload them as soon as I can. Thank you so much if you've watched this far. I really appreciate your support. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you're a carpet cleaner or getting into it and you have questions about the tools, cleaners I use, I'd be more than happy to share that information with you. I get all my stuff from a father-son company out in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Really good cleaners. They're best cleaning supply place I've ever dealt with. Always happy with their stuff. Always shows up when it's supposed to. Truck mount forums. I really enjoy their stuff. I've used some other cleaners in the past and they did alright, but these ones clean better in my opinion and safer for everybody, so helpful for your clients, especially if you got children or pets. You don't have to worry about anything. That's how confident I am with their cleaners. I really like them. Truck mount forums, you can look them up if you want. I'll have the links in the description for some of their stuff, or to their website, so you can see for yourself if you're a cleaner and you want to up your game, if you're not sure what you're using is the best out there, or you want to try something different. There's a lot of good cleaners out there, but so far from what I've tried personally, I like truck mount forum stuff. Not going to say they're the best in the business, but man, when you find something that works, you kind of stick with it. So that's kind of what I've been until somebody shows me something better. This is what I'm going to be working with. So if you want quality product, definitely check out Truck Mount Forums. Have a great day.